हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो रूट ऑफ स्टडी पर वी आर स्टार्टिंग एनसीईआरटी सीरीज। ओके, तो एनसीईआरटी सीरीज वी विल प्रोवाइड ऑल एनसीईआरटी इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एक्सरसाइज एंड हॉट क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, ऑल क्वेश्चंस वी विल प्रोवाइड टू यू। और इन दिस सीरीज टुडे वी start 10th class and 10th physics. Then as you know, first chapter is electric current electricity in 10th class. So in this series and today we will teach you that the questions of in-text question, exercise and other questions and very important questions of this series. So this series will continue and you will get benefit of this series. So start of today's series, NCERT series and 10th class, that is the lecture of first in-text question of electricity. ओके, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में in-text क्वेश्चन। तो in-text क्वेश्चन एज यू नो दैट इज द क्वेश्चंस बिटवीन द चैप्टर्स। तो हेयर चैप्टर 200, ठीक है, यू कैन फाइंड इन एनसीईआरटी बुक्स चैप्टर नंबर 200, ठीक है, पेज 200 पर है। और हेयर इज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डज एन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट मीन्स। ठीक है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज एन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट मीन्स। तो व्हाट इज द मीन्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट, बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है। ठीक है, what is the means of electric circuit? तो we can say electric circuit, ठीक है, electric circuit. So we can make a electric circuit. As you know very well, this is electric circuit. Number of devices we can connect it. Here is battery, switch and resistance and connecting wire. So what is electric circuit? So electric circuit is the closed continuous path, for the flow of current, ठीक है, for the flow of electric current. We can say it's a electric circuit. And other language we can say electric circuit can be made by connecting wire in a closed loop in which current can flow. So we have number of definitions of electric circuit. Okay, so other definitions you can write that a circuit, a path made by connecting wire in a closed loop where the current can flow is called electric circuit. तो सिंपल क्लियर है फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, डिफाइन द यूनिट ऑफ करंट। डिफाइन द यूनिट ऑफ करंट, क्लियर है। तो व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ करंट, यानी डिफाइन द यूनिट ऑफ करंट। These are the question in text question, ठीक है, in text question. And the page number 200 And question number second. Here is the questions. Define the unit of current. Define the unit of current. So we know the unit of current is ampere. Unit of current is ampere. And what is ampere? Question is saying what is the define the unit of current. Define the unit of current. Unit of current is ampere, but it is not defined. Define. So we can say I is equal to Q by T. We know I is equal to Q by T. Here I is the current, Q is the charge, and T is the time. And I is 1 ampere, 1 coulomb, and 1 second. So we can say when 1 coulomb charge flow in a wire for 1 second, then the current is 1 ampere. 1 coulomb charge flow for 1 second in a wire, then the current is 1 ampere. Clear है? 1 coulomb charge flow for 1 second, then current is 1 ampere. So it is the define of unit of current, ampere. And the next question, that is third question of this page. That is question number third. Find the number of electron in 1 coulomb charge. Find the number of electron in 1 coulomb charge. That is third question of in text as page 200. What is the number of electron in 1 coulomb charge? How can we find number of electrons in 1 coulomb charge or any coulomb charge? So we know the formula of Q is equal to Ne. Q is equal to Ne. Here Q is the charge. Here Q is the charge. N is number of electron. And E is charge of each electron. Charge of each electron. Q is charge, N is number of electron, and E is charge of each electron. And we know very well that charges at electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Here the value of charge is 1 coulomb. Q is equal to 1 coulomb. N find, and E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So we can solve it. N equals to Q by E. N equals to Q by E. Here is Q is 1 and the value of E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. After solving it, we can solve it. 1.6 multiply 10 to the power 19. Okay. Remove points. Increase 0. 10 by 16. 10 by 16, that is 5 by 18. Sorry, 5 by 8. 5 by 8. 10 to the power 19. And dividing, we can find 0.625 10 to the power 19. And we can say it's 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electron. So in 1 coulomb charge, how many number of electrons? In 1 coulomb charge, 6.25 multiply 10 to the power 18 electrons. So this is the in-text question of page 200, and now we solve next in-text question. That is on page also 202. Okay, 202, and question is, that is first question, name a device which help to maintain the potential difference across a conductor. Name the device which help to maintain the potential difference in a across a conductor. This is the device which maintain the potential difference in a circuit. This is the device which maintain the potential difference in a circuit. And we can say this is a battery or cell. So answer is cell or battery. Here answer is cell or we can say battery. Okay, that is the first question. Answer, electric cell or battery maintain the potential difference in a circuit. Clear है? Next question. Next question number second on this page. What is the meant by saying a potential difference across a 2 point is 1 volt? What is the meant by saying that a potential difference across 2 points is 1 volt? What is the formula of potential difference? How can we find potential difference? So we can find potential difference is equal to W upon Q, or we can say as V is equal to W upon Q. This is the formula of find potential difference. ठीक है, this is the formula to find a potential difference. V equals to W by Q. Here V is the potential difference, W is the work done, and Q is the charge. Now is the unit of 1 volt, and the unit of work is joule, and the unit of coulomb, that is charge. We can say if 1 joule work done by 1 coulomb charge, then the potential is 1 volt. Clear? When 1 joule work done by 1 coulomb charge, then potential difference is 1 volt. So it is the definitions of 1 volt. And the question number third, how much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6 volt battery? Very simple question. That is third question. What is the question? How much energy is given to each coulomb charge passing through a 6 volt battery? So Q is equal to 1 coulomb. Q equals to 1 coulomb and potential V is equal to 6 volt. How much energy? W, that is work done. Work done we have to find. We know V is equal to W upon Q. Was very simple questions. V is equal to W upon Q. So W is equal to V into Q. Here V is the potential, that is 6 volt, and Q is the charge, that is 1 coulomb, and 6 1 is 6, that is 6 joule. It is the answer. So that is the question number third of text 202. and meet in next lecture. Okay.